Welcome to the lecture on the list of content. In today's session, we will be discussing the structure and importance of organizing material through a comprehensive list of content. Whether you are working on a report, a book, a presentation, or even a website, creating a clear and a detailed list of content is essential to guide the audience through the information effectively. Throughout this lecture, we will cover what a list of content is and why it's useful, how to structure it logically to ensure clarity and coherence, key elements to include for different types of projects, best practices for presenting and updating your list of content. By the end of this lecture, you will have a solid understanding of how to create and utilize list of content to enhance the flow and accessibility of any material you work on. The main benefit of list of content is that you directly know that which lesson, which topic, which heading lie on which page. So this is the main importance of list of content. In many books, you know the initial pages that there is a page of list of content. In page of list of content, you know a scanning of the book that which topic, which lesson lie on which page in this book. So this is the short view that is it this book is essential for me as I'm acquiring the knowledge of this. For example, if I am considering the book of the concrete technology. In concrete technology, there are different different lessons, concrete, types of concrete, and individual types of concrete. So in list of content, I will know that which chapter lie on which page, means concrete lie in which page. So this is the main benefit. So in this lecture, I will be demonstrating that how to create the list of content for this. So I am considering this example that what is concrete. In concrete, there are different types of concrete. Which types? There are total 21 types as mentioned in literature. So I am not focusing the theoretical part. I am discussing focusing the how to create the list of content. So there are different types of concrete: pervious concrete, normal strength concrete, high strength concrete, precast concrete, and self-compacted concrete. So I mentioned only 5 types of concrete. How to manage that? Concrete is first heading and types of concrete is the subheading of this main heading, which is concrete. In subheading, there are different types of subheading, means this is the main heading for this. So pervious concrete lie in this heading. So pervious concrete is the type of these heading. So how to create the headings, different heading? It is essential for creating the list of table. So here you can see that this toolbar style. So in style, you will be selecting that how to create the different types of headings. So here you can see that these are the different types of heading. So first I did this. So with the help of this, I put this concrete in heading number 1 and this type of concrete in heading number 2. Here I did. So in next video lecture, in one of the video lecture, I will be discussing that how to create the table heading number 1, heading number 2, heading number 3, and there are different provisions that what will be the font size of the heading number 1 and heading number 2 and heading number 3. There are total 4 types of heading number 4. So all are boldcase and Times New Roman for the thesis purpose. So I mentioned that this is the main heading. In main heading, there are different subheading. In subheading, there are different subheadings. So here this pervious concrete lie in this heading, and you can see that if I close this, so all types of the concrete closes. So closed. So here you can see that means these all types lie in this concrete. So if I close the main heading, all the previous will be closed. So you will only see the concrete only. So here you can see that if I open this, so you can see that concrete, in concrete all these like types of concrete, pervious concrete, and normal style, and much more. So these all lie in this. So now I will be creating the table of content or list of content, that which heading lie in which page. So here you can see that I'm selecting this blank page. So here there are two methods. By searching the table of contents, you can choose any style, or by choosing this reference tab. So I'm selecting this reference tab. Here you can see that table of contents. In table of content, there are different options. As for your desired wish, select one of them. I am selecting this. So here you can see that this is selected. So here you can see that the this is content. I am selecting this list of content. So I'm selected this, and you can also change the font size and the font style, color, etc. So here you can see that this is concrete lie in page number 2, and in concrete there are different types of concrete which lie in page 2. Pervert concrete also lie in page 2, and high strength concrete lie in page 2. Precast concrete lie in page 3. You can see that directly that this is page number 2. Here it is page number 1, and page number 2 is this, and page number 3 is this. That precast and self-compacted concrete lie in page number 3. You can also see that this is page number 3. So here you can see that self-compacted and precast concrete lie in page number 3. So by doing this, you can also change the font size, gap, etc. in this table. That I am selecting the Time New Roman style, and font size is 11, or you can also choose the gap is 1.15 or 1 is for your wish 1.15. So you know that how to create the list of content for the concrete or anything. That it is very useful in thesis writing, that how to create the list of content. And one benefit of this, that you can directly go to the heading as for your desired wish. So here it is lie in page number 3. So I am selecting the control button and clicking on this line or this heading. So I will directly go to the self-compacted concrete. So as for your desired wish, you can do this. So here I did this. So this is the overall topic about how to create the list of contents for the a topic, that which page lie in which topic lie in which page. So this is the use of the list of content. It is very necessary. I hope you understand and got the concept behind this, and you are able to create the list of content. So thanks to everyone.